The cheapest drink you've never heard of. Restore pancreatic function in 7 days. There's a simple drink made from ingredients already sitting in many kitchens that most people overlook completely. Yet, for those over 50 struggling with fatigue, unstable blood sugar, or a tired pancreas, this humble combination could quietly support the body in ways that feel almost surprising. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just something natural, affordable, and easy to prepare. But here's the truth. Using it the wrong way can do more harm than good. Before trying it, it's important to understand exactly how it works, who it helps, and how to use it safely over just 7 days. If this kind of simple, natural health guidance matters, consider subscribing to the channel. These small habits can make a big difference after 50. Like the video and share your thoughts below. Your experience might help someone else take the first step toward better health and stronger living. Fresh raw potato juice contains natural compounds that may help support pancreatic function by gently reducing internal inflammation in the body. For adults over 50, this can be especially important because the pancreas often becomes less efficient with age, leading to slower digestion and unstable blood sugar levels. Some doctors suggest that certain plant compounds found in raw potatoes may help calm digestive irritation and reduce the burden placed on the pancreas during daily food processing. Unlike many strong remedies or medications, fresh potato juice works in a mild and supportive way. It does not force rapid changes, but instead encourages the body to respond naturally over time. Research around plant-based anti-inflammatory compounds shows that reducing inflammation may allow organs like the pancreas to function more smoothly, especially in aging bodies. The gentle starches present in raw potato juice may also help coat the digestive tract, creating a soothing effect that reduces irritation. This can make digestion feel lighter and less stressful, which indirectly supports pancreatic health. However, it is important that the juice is made from fresh, properly cleaned potatoes and consumed in small amounts. Some doctors warn that improper preparation or overuse can lead to discomfort. When used correctly, this simple drink may offer a gentle, natural way to support the pancreas without placing extra strain on the body. For older adults seeking mild support, this approach aligns with the body's slower rhythm after 50. It respects natural processes while offering steady support that feels manageable and safe when used with care and awareness. This consistency is what makes it suitable for daily short-term use. Fresh carrot juice provides a rich source of antioxidants, especially beta-carotene, which plays an important role in supporting overall organ health, including the pancreas. As the body ages, cells naturally face more oxidative stress, which can weaken organ function over time. Some doctors explain that antioxidants help neutralize this stress, allowing organs like the pancreas to work more efficiently without added strain. Beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, is known for its protective effects on cells. Research suggests that this nutrient may help maintain the integrity of tissues and support the body's natural repair processes. For individuals over 50, this gentle form of support can be especially valuable, as the body's ability to recover from daily wear and tear tends to slow down. Fresh carrot juice is also easy for the body to absorb, meaning its nutrients become available quickly without requiring heavy digestion. This reduces the workload on the pancreas, allowing it to function in a more balanced way. Some nutrition experts highlight that liquids rich in natural plant compounds can provide support without overwhelming sensitive digestive systems. Regular, moderate use of fresh carrot juice may also contribute to better blood sugar balance when consumed carefully. While it is naturally sweet, its fiber content in fresh preparations can help slow absorption. This makes it a supportive addition for those looking to care for their pancreas in a steady and manageable way. For older adults, this simple juice offers a natural source of nourishment that aligns with the body's changing needs, supporting both protection and gentle recovery over time. Combining potato and carrot juice creates a balanced drink that brings together complementary nutrients to support digestion and overall pancreatic function. When these two ingredients are used together, they offer a mix of gentle starches, natural sugars, vitamins, and antioxidants that work in harmony rather than isolation. Some nutrition experts explain that combining foods with different but supportive properties can enhance how the body absorbs and uses nutrients. Especially in older adults, the mild starch content from raw potato may help soothe the digestive lining, while the antioxidants in carrot juice, such as beta-carotene, help protect cells from oxidative stress. This combination may reduce internal strain during digestion, allowing the pancreas to operate in a more stable and efficient way. Research on plant-based nutrition often highlights that a variety of nutrients working together can produce a stronger supportive effect than a single ingredient alone. For people over 50, digestion can become slower and more sensitive. A blended juice like this may be easier to process compared to heavier meals, reducing the effort required from the pancreas. Some doctors suggest that lighter, nutrient-rich liquids can help the body maintain better balance without overwhelming aging systems. This natural pairing also provides a steady release of nutrients, which may help maintain more stable energy and blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. The goal is not rapid change, but gentle and consistent support that respects the body's pace when prepared fresh and consumed properly. This simple combination offers a practical way to nourish the body while supporting pancreatic efficiency over time. In a calm and balanced manner, drinking this juice on an empty stomach allows the body to absorb its nutrients more efficiently without interference from other foods. When the stomach is empty, digestion is simpler and faster, which means the natural compounds in the juice can be processed with less effort. Some doctors explain that early morning is when the digestive system is most receptive, making it an ideal time for gentle nutritional support. For adults over 50, this timing can make a noticeable difference. As digestion slows with age, the body may struggle to break down complex meals later in the day. Taking a light, nutrient-rich drink first thing in the morning reduces this burden and gives the pancreas a calm and steady start. This can help the organ prepare for the day ahead without being overwhelmed. Research on digestion suggests that nutrient absorption is often more effective when the stomach is not competing with other foods. This allows key vitamins and plant compounds to enter the system more directly. In the case of this juice, that means its soothing and supportive properties can reach the pancreas more efficiently. Some healthcare professionals also note that establishing a consistent morning routine can support metabolic balance over time. When the body receives gentle nourishment at the same time each day, it may respond with improved regulation of digestive processes. For seniors, this simple habit offers a way to support internal balance without adding complexity. It works with the body's natural rhythm, encouraging a smoother digestive flow while helping the pancreas function in a more relaxed and supported manner throughout the day with consistency. Using fresh ingredients only ensures that the natural enzymes and nutrients in raw vegetables remain intact and available for the body to use. When vegetables like potato and carrot are freshly prepared, they contain active enzymes that can assist the digestive process. Some nutrition experts explain that these enzymes may help break down food more efficiently, reducing the amount of work required from the pancreas. As vegetables age or are stored for long periods, their nutritional quality can decline. Exposure to air, light, and temperature changes gradually reduces the potency of vitamins and enzymes. Cooking can further destroy many of these delicate compounds. For adults over 50, this loss becomes more significant because the body already produces fewer digestive enzymes compared to younger years. Research suggests that consuming raw, fresh plant foods may support smoother digestion by providing natural enzyme activity. This can ease internal strain and help the pancreas function in a more balanced way. When digestion becomes less demanding, the pancreas is not forced to work as hard, which may support its long-term efficiency. Some doctors also note that fresh ingredients are less likely to contain harmful compounds that can develop in spoiled or improperly stored vegetables. This adds an extra layer of safety, especially for older adults with more sensitive systems. Choosing fresh, properly cleaned vegetables allows the body to receive the full benefit of their natural properties. This simple step supports a gentler digestive process and helps maintain a steady, comfortable rhythm for the pancreas, making it an important part of using this drink safely and effectively. Limiting the quantity to about half a cup ensures the body receives the benefits of this juice without placing unnecessary pressure on the digestive system. As the body ages, digestion often becomes more sensitive and less efficient, making smaller portions easier to handle. Some doctors explain that gentle support works best when the body is not overwhelmed, especially for organs like the pancreas that respond to changes in intake. A half cup provides enough of the natural compounds, vitamins, and enzymes to offer support while still being light on the stomach. Larger amounts may seem helpful, but they can lead to discomfort, bloating, or digestive imbalance. Research on aging digestion shows that moderate intake is often more effective than excess, as it allows the body to process nutrients steadily without stress for individuals over 50. Maintaining balance is more important than seeking quick or intense results. The pancreas, in particular, benefits from consistency and calm conditions rather than sudden increases in workload. Some healthcare professionals note that small, controlled portions can help maintain stable blood sugar responses, which is important for overall metabolic health. Taking more than the recommended amount may also dilute the intended effect, as the body may struggle to absorb everything efficiently at once. This can reduce the potential benefits and create unnecessary strain. Keeping the portion limited to half a cup allows the body to respond naturally and comfortably. It respects the slower pace of digestion that comes with age and supports a steady, manageable approach to improving internal balance, without causing disruption or discomfort over time. Consuming this juice for only 7 days allows the body to receive gentle support without creating dependency or unnecessary strain. Short-term use is often recommended for natural remedies because it gives the system time to respond while avoiding overexposure. Some doctors explain that the body benefits from periods of support followed by rest, especially when dealing with sensitive organs like the pancreas. For adults over 50, this approach is particularly important. Aging systems tend to respond better to mild, controlled changes rather than continuous intake of any one remedy. A 7-day period provides enough time for the body to begin adjusting while still keeping the process balanced and safe. Research on dietary patterns suggests that short, consistent routines can help the body reset certain functions without overwhelming its natural rhythms. Using the juice beyond this period may not increase its benefits and could potentially lead to digestive discomfort or reduced effectiveness. The pancreas functions best when it is not constantly stimulated by the same input. Some healthcare professionals warn that overuse of even natural substances can place subtle stress on the body over time. A defined time frame also helps maintain awareness and discipline. It encourages individuals to use the remedy thoughtfully rather than casually or excessively. This structure supports a more mindful approach to health, which becomes increasingly valuable with age. Stopping after 7 days allows the body to process and respond to what it has received. This pause respects the body's natural pace and helps maintain balance, making the practice safer and more aligned with long-term well-being for older adults. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.